Hey guys, I've been gone for a while off this channel. I've been on my second channel. It's my weekly vlogging channel. It's more of a personal channel. Please make sure to subscribe to that channel. I'll put the link in the description. I have a Valentine's vendor event coming up, and I figured that would be the perfect time to showcase these new Dream Vessel Evoca Mercury vessels that I just purchased. One thing you'll notice about this vessel is that there is no wick guide, which can be kind of intimidating when you are just starting off. But I'm going to show you a tip that helped me. When I say wick guide, this is what I'm talking about. To help you center the wick perfectly, all you're going to need is a pen. You're just going to bite the top off and pull the ink out, and it should look like this. Then you're going to stick the wick right into the pen. Don't be afraid to switch up your wax till you find the brand that works well for you. It took me a while before I found Joy Wax, which is what I use and works best for me. I use the mini stove method to heat up my wax now, but if it does it so fast that if you're a beginner, I advise you to start with the double broiler method on the stove. The double broiler stove method does it a lot slower. It melts the wax slower, and you don't have to be right on top of it watching it with the thermometer like every second like you do with the mini stove. After you're done mixing the fragrance into the wax, make sure to check the temperature again, because you want to pour about 60. You don't want it to be too cold, you don't want it to be too hot, so you can get a nice flat top. When you pour, make sure that it is slow and steady. Make sure to check out my other tutorials. I'll put them in the description, and also subscribe to my vlogging channel. That will also be in the description. Leave any questions you have in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Ciao.